Hey everybody, it's Gideon, and today we're going to look at syncing audio in Premiere Pro. I have drug one of the video files over here. This happened to be shot at a wedding, and at weddings, I shoot on multiple cameras and multiple audio recorders, so I have to sync up audio. And in my timeline, you'll see the video clip here. With some audio on it, and then below it I drug in a separate audio file. It is from this scene that's happening, and if I solo this track we can hear that. So it's totally a different audio capture device, but I need these synced. So I'm just going to start out here in this open area and click, hold, and drag a box around both of these clips. And then I'm going to right click. This menu appears, and then we want to look for synchronize. Then what you want to do is make sure this audio is checked right here. And then I'm going to click on OK. And then Premiere does its magic and it lines them up automatically so that there is no guesswork when you do this. Do you have to do it that way that I showed? No, you don't. You could, and I've done this many times, you could zoom in here so we can see the waveforms and just kind of eyeball it and then play it back and listen.
Understand that marriage is a sacred covenant.
And you can tell by listening, and you can tell by looking at these waveforms that Premiere synced it up perfectly. And that's how you synchronize audio, two different audio clips in Adobe Premiere Pro.